equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To start, gather your tools, a screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a new compatible panel. First, unplug your Thermomix TM31 for safety. Next, remove the screws on the back panel. Keep them in a safe place. Carefully lift the back panel off. You may notice some dust inside. Use the soft cloth to clean it gently. Now, inspect the internal components for any visible damage. If everything looks good, proceed to replace the panel. Align the new panel with the connectors and press it into place. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tight but not overdone. Once done, plug your Thermomix back in. Test the new panel to ensure it works properly. Remember, if you need help, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Plus, enjoy pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Always ask for a quote before repair to avoid surprises. Your Thermomix TM31 is now ready for action. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.